Welcome, today in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display feature on this device. Unfortunately, by default we have not set it up here the Always On Display feature, so we should just get the application from the Play Store. So now here in the search pool enter the Movies Edge, and now we have to get this application, so tap to install and just wait a couple of seconds while the application installing and loading on your device. Now just open the app. Here click drop over apps, and near the Movies Edge application click once on the switcher. Now just go back to the application and here you will see the AOD section. Just click here on one of these tabs, and for example to this one click to apply and go here to the settings, click on the Always On Display and be sure that here the switcher is turned on. And now we'll just lock our device and we will see. So as can you see, we just successfully activated the Always On Display feature on our Samsung Galaxy Tab. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.